Hi guys, welcome to Andrew of Andrew Colden TV, and today for this tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to put games on your own HTML website, also known as a hypertext markup language. I will also be giving away this free HTML template just to get you guys all started, because this is what I'll be using for my tutorial. And you guys should also be thanking Raised Cripes for me making this tutorial on getting it all started. This here happens to be the template that I'll be using that you guys can also download to use for your own. All the links work. All you have to do is edit and modify the URL links if you want to forward it to your own channel. So subscribe that button at the end of this video. So let's all get started. Once you guys have downloaded my template, you want to extract it and of course add a directory and call it games in the root directory. For this tutorial, I'm be using a Flash game known as Bowman 2. Simply go to Flash Games 247 and you're going to right click once your game has fully loaded and to view the page source. You want to go to the top right hand corner and hit Ctrl F to search for the .swf files. Then you want to try and find and locate the .swf file of your game. For this instance, I have found mine and I'm going to copy that and to paste that into my browser. Notice how you'll be prompted to save target as, and then you'll be able to save it as a .swf file onto your desktop. Just be sure that you cut and paste that file into your games directory in your root. Once you have completed that, you want to open up that file, as in open with the right click button of your mouse, and you want to open that up into Internet Explorer. Once it is opened up, you have noticed that the game is actually playing in your browser. Now that URL that you see on the top, you want to copy that and to paste that into the game code that you can find in my description down below. You want to copy that and to paste that into your link 1, for example, as I am doing right now. For you guys, you may have to adjust the width and height. You can easily do that in the game code where you see width and height. Remember my HTML tutorial? Well, you can easily do the same thing right here to change the ratio of width and height. In order for this to work, just be sure that you save your HTML document before opening up in the browser. Once you have saved it, you will notice that no changes have been made, but once until you hit the refresh button, you will see those changes. So congratulations, you have successfully been able to play a game into your own HTML website. Now, if you guys planning on doing this on your own, as in hosting, it's going to be a little different for the EBID source. If you have found this video very useful, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, or give this video a like and comment down below for a suggestion for any of my next videos. You can even do so in any of my other videos, and if you guys want to know other ways where you can also embed other cool things into your website, you can use a thing called Java apps, such as Java applets. You can Google free Java applets and it'll be around the first few links. You can apply that same idea that you did right here, as in the Flash, onto your website. Be sure to have all the source files and codes.